If your T-Mobile 5G home internet gateway is stuck on 4G instead of using a 5G signal, it can result in slower speeds. Several reasons could cause this: software glitches, network prioritization, signal interference, or incorrect device settings. The primary solutions involve rebooting your gateway, manually selecting network bands, or forcing a 5G mode. This video explains the top 2 fixes for ensuring your gateway connects to 5G. Common causes include software glitches that prevent automatic switching, network prioritization favoring 4G for stability, signal interference from nearby devices, or incorrect settings in the gateway. The top fixes are rebooting your gateway to reset connections and forcing 5G mode through the app or settings. First, open the T-Mobile Internet app, updated to version 2.5.1. Find the Force 5G toggle in the gateway settings. This prioritizes 5G NR and can resolve many issues. If that doesn't work, reboot your gateway. Perform a soft reboot by power cycling. This resets the modem without erasing settings and often fixes band lock issues. If problems persist, check signal metrics like RSRP in the T-Mobile app. RSRP values below -80 dBm often indicate 4G fallback. Contact T-Mobile support if issues persist after trying these steps.